Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Pyramid. Today's topic is real numbers. In this we are going to find the HCF and LCM of the two or three numbers by using two methods. First is by using prime factorization method, and second the relation between the two numbers, or we can say by using formula method. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. So for prime factorization method, we are having this relation that HCF, how can we find? It is the product of smallest power of each common prime factor in the number. Whereas LCM is the product of the greatest power of each prime factor involved in the numbers. We can understand this with the help of example. We are having an example here where we have to find the HCF and LCM of these three numbers using prime factorization method. First, we will find the prime factors of 6, 72 and 120. How can we find the prime factors? We have discussed it in the earlier video under the name of real numbers introduction. I will give you the description. I will give you the link in the description box. You can refer to that. So first we will calculate the prime factors of 6, which is 2 into 3. For 72, we are having prime factors of 2 like this. Now we will calculate the prime factors for 120. So it is 16, then 13, then 15, 3, it is 5, 1. Now we will write the prime factors like this. For 6, it is 2 into 3. For 72, it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And for 120, it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now we will have to find the HCF. For HCF, we have to take the smallest power of the prime numbers, common in all the numbers. So 2 is common in all. We are seeing that lowest power of the 2, which is common in all three, is 2 to the power 1. We are taking it as 2. Then we are having 3, which is common in all three, but we are having only 3 to the power 1 as common. We will write only 3. 5 we are not having in 6. So HCF is equals to 6. Now we will go for LCM. For LCM, we will take greatest power involved in all numbers. So greatest power means 2 is the prime factor. The greatest power of 2 involved is 2 to the power 3. So we will write 2 to the power 3. Again, we are having 3 as a common factor in all. It is 3 to the power 2. Then we are having 5. It is 8 into 9 into 5. It is equals to 360. So this is the method where we can find the HCF and LCM using prime factorization method. The second method we are having is by using the formula. In formula, we are having a relation between HCF and LCM with the numbers. That is, the product of HCF and LCM of two numbers is equals to the product of the two numbers. So we will put the values here. Here we are having 4 variables: HCF, LCM, A and B. If 3 variables are given to us, we can easily find the fourth method. So we can understand this with the help of example. In this example, we have told to find the HCF using first by prime factorization method. We have to find the HCF, and then we have to find the LCM by using this formula. So for HCF, we have to first find the prime factors of 96. It is 48, then it is 24, then it is 12, then it is 6, it is 3 to the power 1. Okay. And for 404, it is 2, 202, 2, 101, and 101 is a prime number, so it is 1. What are the prime factors of 96? For prime factors of prime, it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and for 404 it is 2 into 2 into 101. Now we have to find the SCF first. So what is the SCF? SCF is 2 to the power 2, because this is the least common factors involved in both. So SCF is equals to 4. Now we have to find the LCM. For finding LCM, we are having HCF. We have already calculated, and the numbers are given to us 96 and 404. Sorry. So we have to put all the values in this relation, and we can find the LCM. So 4 into LCM, it is equals to 96 into 404. LCM, it is equals to 96 into 404 divided by 4. It is 96 into 101. On calculating it, we will find 96 into 96. This is the value which come on finding from the relation. So here, in this way, we can easily find the SCF and LCM of any two numbers if by using this relation. But the condition is with 3 values, at least we have to give the 3 values, then only we can find the fourth one. So SCF and LCM is this, but this formula is not valid for 3 numbers. If you are having 3 relation numbers, then this relation does not hold. SCF and LCM, product of SCF and LCM of 3 numbers is not equals to the product of the 3 numbers. You can cross check it by any example. We are already having example, we can cross check it. For that, you have to use this formula, which is S for SCF and LCM. We can cross check it here like this. Just put the values of SCF and LCM in the relation, so it will become 6 into 360. It should be equals to 6 into 72 into 120. So multiplication of this gives us 2160, whereas the multiplication of this gives us 51840, which is not equal. Hence, we can say that SCF and LCM relation for 3 numbers does not hold this. For this, you have to go through this formula. If you are having any doubt and query, you can write in the comment box. If you want for me for going for so many examples, or you have more questions, you can write in the comment box. If you have liked the video, please like and share the video. For today, it is okay. Thank you so much.